The world runs on apps. Android, the most popular mobile operating system, powers billions of devices. This creates a huge demand for skilled Android developers. Learning Android development is a rewarding journey. It empowers you to create innovative apps used by millions. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some programming experience, this guide will help you start your journey. From simple apps to complex systems, the possibilities are endless. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and resources to turn your app ideas into reality. Let's dive into the world of Android development. Every journey begins with a single step. In Android development, that step is setting up your development environment. Download Android Studio, the official IDE for Android development. It provides all the tools you need to write code, design layouts, and test your apps. Next, you'll need to learn the basics of the Java programming language. Java is the primary language used for Android development. Understand concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Familiarize yourself with the Android Software Development Kit, or SDK. The SDK provides pre-built components and libraries that simplify app development. Explore the official Android documentation and tutorials available online as you progress. A visually appealing and user-friendly interface is crucial for any app. Android uses XML to define layouts. Layouts determine how elements are arranged on the screen. Learn about different layout types like linear layout, relative layout, and constraint layout. Each offers unique ways to position elements. Experiment with different layouts to achieve the desired look and feel for your app. Widgets are the building blocks of user interfaces. They represent interactive elements like buttons, text fields, and images. Understand how to use common widgets effectively to create intuitive user experiences. Use the Android Studio Layout Editor to visually design your layouts. The editor provides a drag-and-drop interface for adding and positioning widgets. This visual approach makes UI design more accessible and efficient. Activities are the heart of an Android app. An activity represents a single screen with which the user can interact. Understanding the activity lifecycle is crucial for building robust apps. Learn about the different lifecycle methods such as onCreate, onStart, onResume, onPause, onStop, and onDestroy. These methods are called by the system when an activity transitions between different states. Master the concept of intents. Intents are messages used to start activities and pass data between them. They act as bridges connecting different parts of your app. Practice navigating between multiple activities. Create simple apps with multiple screens and learn how to pass data back and forth between them. This will help you build more complex and interactive applications. Section 5. Storing data persistence in Android. Data persistence is essential for any app that needs to store information beyond the app's current session. Android provides several ways to store data. Shared preferences allow you to store simple key-value pairs. This mechanism is suitable for storing user preferences or small amounts of data. For larger data sets, explore SQLite databases. SQLite is a lightweight relational database engine built into Android. Learn how to create tables, insert data, retrieve data, and perform queries. Consider using files for storing unstructured data or large files. Android supports storing data in internal storage, external storage, and in the cloud using services like Firebase. Experiment with different data storage methods to determine the best approach for your app's specific requirements. Choose the most efficient and scalable solution for your data storage needs. Section 6. Threads and networking. Power up your apps. Threading and networking are crucial for building responsive and connected Android apps. Learn how to perform long-running tasks in the background using threads. Understand the concept of asynchronous programming. Use async task or threading libraries like ArcsJava to prevent your app from becoming unresponsive while performing network operations or background tasks. Learn how to make network requests using libraries like Volley or Retrofit. These libraries simplify the process of making HTTP requests and handling responses. Practice fetching data from APIs and displaying it in your app. Build apps that interact with web services to retrieve and display information to the user. Section 7. Fine-tuning performance optimization tips. Performance is paramount in mobile app development. Users expect apps to be fast and responsive. Learn how to optimize your app's performance. Use the Android profiler to identify performance bottlenecks. The profiler provides insights into CPU usage, memory allocation, and network activity. Optimize your layouts for efficiency. Use constraint layout to create flat view hierarchies and reduce overdraw. Avoid nesting layouts unnecessarily as it can impact performance. Cache data and resources effectively. Use libraries like Glide or Picasso to cache images and improve image loading times. Cache frequently accessed data to reduce network requests. By following these optimization techniques, you can ensure that your app runs smoothly and provides a seamless user experience. Section 8. Overcoming challenges. Common pitfalls and solutions. Every developer encounters challenges along the way. Anticipating and understanding common pitfalls can save you time and frustration. Debugging is a crucial skill for any developer. Learn how to use the debugger in Android Studio to step through your code, set breakpoints, and inspect variables. Use the Android developer documentation and online resources effectively. Familiarize yourself with Stack Overflow and other developer communities where you can ask questions and seek help. Break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable tasks. Test your code thoroughly and frequently to catch errors early on. Don't be afraid to seek help when needed. Embrace the learning process and celebrate your achievements along the way. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to Android mastery. Congratulations on embarking on your Android development journey. You've learned the essential concepts, tools, and best practices to start building your own apps. Remember that learning is an ongoing process. Embrace continuous learning and stay updated with the latest trends in Android development. Explore advanced topics like Jetpack Compose, Kotlin coroutines, and advanced UI design patterns. The world of Android development is vast and ever-evolving. Continue building projects, experimenting with new ideas, and never stop learning. Your journey to Android mastery is just beginning.